First, clean up your bathroom, every single inch of it. I'm not talking just a little brush over on the sinks and the toilet. I mean those little nooks and crannies that people might see when they're maybe sitting on the toilet or maybe when they're washing their hands, the little corners, that little knob that gets dusty on the bottom of your toilet. All those little things should be cleaned and immaculate, because when she goes over and she sees something that's gross or dirty in a bathroom, even if you were to see that and you were to go over to her place, you would be disgusted. And you would think that that person is kind of disgusting. Just the whole nature of it, being in the bathroom, it being dirty, not a good look. Some more obvious ones: make your bed, make it really well. Make sure that you put the pillows nice and upright on the bed, smooth out the surface so it looks really good. A little tip for you: the more pillows, the fancier it looks. And I know it gets annoying, every time you want to go to bed or make your bed, you got all these pillows that you want to put on it. But imagine looking at a bed or going into someone's apartment and it's like a full size or a queen size, maybe even a king size mattress, and you see just one small pillow on this bed. Looks really empty, looks really weird. Speaking of beds, this might be a place where you guys might sit down and maybe start to get physical. If you want to see how to initiate a kiss and build tension, I want you to check out Tripp's Tension Technique. I promise you've probably never done this before, and there's a full demonstration on how to do it. Go to the description down below, get that video, watch it, and you'll see a demo on how it's done. Again, that's called Tripp's Tension Technique. It's 100% free. Next, your place, especially if it's wintertime and all the windows have been closed, might need to be aired out. So don't be afraid. Couple hours before she comes over, open up all the windows, get some fresh air in there, get that kind of musky, really stale smell out, and so it just smells a little bit better. Once you've done that, close all the windows, or if it's summertime, keep them open, whatever you want, but light a candle. I know some guys may think that's a little bit feminine, like girls have candles. No, men definitely have candles, and there's very masculine scents and even neutral scents that you can light that can smell amazing. So if you haven't done this before, you can go almost anywhere. I mean, you can go to Target, you can even go to Tom Ford if you want to get like a really nice candle, and you can smell some really great scents. Pick one that you like, light it, make it happen. Another place that's important to clean your stove. This is one of those places when it's not clean, it just looks really bad and looks really dirty, kind of like the bathroom. So make sure you do that. Make sure your bedside table, and if you don't have one, you don't have a nightstand, get one. There shouldn't be no excuse. You could probably get one on Amazon for like 30, 40 bucks. Get one and have the appropriate things inside the drawers, because if you're gonna get intimate, you're gonna want condoms, you may want lube. You want those things there, easily accessible. Have a nightstand. And to even make this nicer, if you have a bed that's in the center of the room, which it should be anyways, on each side you can put the same nightstand, and it's going to make it really nice looking. When she walks in, music should be on. So whether you're on Spotify, Apple Music, hell, I don't know, maybe you're listening to CDs still. Either way, have some music on, ready to go. It creates the vibe. Probably better not to have a CD, probably to have one of those playlists like on Spotify that just never ends and goes for 3, 5, 7 hours, 9, 10, 20 hours. Make your own, whatever it is. Just make sure it just keeps going so you never have to keep changing stuff, and it keeps a continuous vibe. Also, have a few different drinks. I've talked about this on other videos. Have a tequila, have a vodka, have a red wine, have a white wine. You should really have those anyways in your place if you're entertaining. If you don't know what people are gonna like, have one whiskey. Learn a couple of drinks that you can make. Either way, none of this has to be fancy unless you want it to be, but having all those options are going to be best there, because she might want to drink. She might not drink alcohol at all, so make sure that you have either bottled water or water from a filter. Don't grab a red Solo cup and put it under the sink and just give her unfiltered water. That doesn't look very nice, right? So some of those things to make sure that she has something she likes. Next, key here, have a blanket on the couch. One, it's going to make your actual couch look a lot better. Sometimes couches can look a little empty, but if you have a throw blanket, maybe on the end of the chase, or maybe if you don't have a chase on your couch, it's just draped over one of the corners, have that there, it's going to look better. And if you guys And up on the couch at the end of the night, you can use that blanket to put over yourselves before you watch a movie or while you're just talking.